Lloyd's Maritime Academy provides an industry-leading learning experience accessed through our user-friendly virtual learning environment. Introducing the Lloyd's Maritime Academy Learner Experience. Throughout your journey with us, you'll have access to a range of engaging course materials, including interactive e-learning, written materials, quizzes and videos. These can be accessed at any time and can be viewed online on your laptop or mobile. Your learning is released module by module, helping you to pace things at a manageable rate around your busy schedule. Online learning doesn't mean you're on your own. The discussion forum is the beating heart of your course, where you can share your ideas directly with your course director and fellow learners in a friendly and supportive online community. Your course director will be with you every step of the way, providing you with industry expertise and guiding your learning through targeted activities and further reading recommendations. We use leading certification technology to offer you a secure and verifiable way to mark your achievement. Your digital badge can be shared with employers directly on LinkedIn or downloaded as a certificate copy, all while retaining blockchain security. Join Lloyd's Maritime Academy today for an interactive online learning experience designed for you, the maritime professional.